Hello art beaters, Becky here for artbeats.com, and I've got a brand new video for you today. Today I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite trends for style, jewelry, clothing. It's the dark academia trend. This trend, as a book lover, I love this trend. It's all about those moody colors that are perfect for fall and winter. It's got a little bit of bookishness thrown in. We've got this lovely book charm and some like gothic romance type elements into because of those dark moody colors. The gothic romance style works really nicely, and what's great about this trend is we have a great starting point. Jesse James Beads makes a wonderful bead mix called Dark Academia, and I just love that. These pieces, this amazing locket, that's from the Dark Academia mix. This locket is so cool, you guys. I think it's amazing. It opens up like this. Isn't that so cool? Like, it doesn't look like it would open because the design is so seamless. So you could put like little beads in there, little trinkets, these little like volcanic beads. You could diffuse those with essential oils, and then this would be a nice little essential oil piece. But you could put like little beads in there as well just to add some color. I just love that locket. The Dark Academia mix is worth it for the locket alone. So all of these pieces here are part of the Dark Academia mix that you'll find from Jesse James Beads. But we have a lot of other great pieces on the website that are perfect for the Dark Academia trend. Obviously, blacks, grays, silvers are a great color palette for the Dark Academia trend. This lovely gray silver seed bead color. This reminds me of like the rain or a misty cloudy day when you're looking out of the window from an ancient library. That's a very good Dark Academia color. I think the browns too, the dark browns are a good Dark Academia color. A big part of Dark Academia, you know, I think of like tweed and plaid, professor coats or skirts. These are good colors to emulate that. You could also add in some fibers like yarn and wool would be really nice fibers to add into your Dark Academia jewelry. And I think like antique looking pieces like this brass chandelier link are a wonderful option for Dark Academia as well. We've got this lovely sterling silver book charm. Look at that. How perfect is that for Dark Academia? And of course, we also have bookmarks that you can add beads to. I think that's perfect. That would be a great Christmas gift. Make some Dark Academia bookmarks for the book lover in your life and give them as, this would be such a cute little stocking stuffer hanging out of a stocking. So all kinds of different options for the Dark Academia style. And I really want to make some jewelry with some of these pieces. Already I'm thinking these little pieces for a fun little dangle off the bookmark would be a lot of fun. So I'm just going to put a seed bead, put this nice little oval faceted bead on there, and then this seed bead, and get to town. I'm going to make a simple loop here. I've got lots of baggies around me. It's very exciting. Lots of jewelry surrounding me always. One of the perks of my job. Just always surrounded by pretty things. And then we just make a little simple loop. You can make a wrap loop too, but I'm thinking simple, easy, quick, especially if you're going to make a lot of these for Christmas to give away as gifts. Simple, easy, quick is always good. And then just make sure that's nice and closed. We're going to make one for this guy. I love this bead. It's got like a little tree, and on both sides, that's nice. So we're going to bend this down. There we go. Make sure that's closed. Yep. And then another one. So cute. This is going to be, and I'm mixing metals. I think the Dark Academia style is one that you can easily mix metals with. I think copper, gold, and silver all lend themselves well to the trend. If you want to keep it all the same metals, you can, but I like to mix metals. I think it's kind of fun. There is kind of there's an eclectic yet orderly feel to the Dark Academia style. You know, I imagine like old castle like libraries with books stacked and papers coming out. That kind of feel comes across when you're mixing metals to that organized but still a little chaotic feel. Oh, that's fun. You could make an even longer dangle because this part comes out of the book and dangles out of the book, like from the spine. Maybe we'll add like a little drop here too. That'd be cute. Just a little drop. Oh, but look at this bead. Oh, I want to add that in. Is there another one of those? Yeah, we could make that a link. Oh, let's do that. Okay, let me get some more. That's a really fun bead. This Dark Academia mix really inspired my whole gathering of items here today. So this is a bigger whole size bead. So that would be a good one to use with your cord. That would be good to use with yarn and cord for that fiber look. You can also pair it with like a smaller whole bead here. And that would be a good, oh, let's do that. That's really pretty. There we go. That is so cute. So we could do that. Maybe that can be here, like instead of that one, leading to the book. Oh, that's so cute. So then all we have to do is connect all of these together. So I'm actually going to use a jump ring to attach my first beaded link to the top of the bookmark, just so it hangs nicely. That hole at the top of the bookmark kind of has like a little bit of a thick gap between the hole and the end of the piece. So I think a jump ring will just help all of these hang nicely. And I'm going to open this up, add it to my jump ring, and then close it. Oops. Come on. There we go. And then I'm going to add this piece. So just open it up. I'm going to add this piece. Oh, I love how that turned out. It's just so cute. It's dark, it's whimsical. Perfect for making a bookmark. And then what's nice about this beautiful book charm is it has a jump ring attached already. So I'm just going to use that to attach here. There we go. How cute is that? And I think like a little dangle too to like harken back to the gold, like a little drop of color right in front of the book, like the book is magical. That would be really fun. Let's see if I have the right jump rings to do that. That would be super, super cute. Let's see. This hole is a little small, and my jump rings are a little thick for that. Let's try this one. Maybe this one will work. Whoops. Yeah, that one works. And then we'll put this in here. Just a little drop of Dark Academia magic coming out of our book. Oh, that's so cute. I love it. And that really kind of works nicely for our mixed metals here. It kind of harkens back to the gold. So that's really cute. I love making bookmarks like this. Super, you could personalize this to whoever you're giving the bookmark to, or make one like themed to a specific like book series you love. There are a lot of good book series out there right now. You could totally make themed bookmarks. It's just so cute. And there you can see how it fits into a book, hangs out of the spine. It's so cute, such a fun way to mark your place in a book and perfect for the Dark Academia trend. Well, this was a fun, quick little intro into the dark academia trend and a fun little making session, making this cute little bookmark. So many different ways you could take this, especially with great bead mixes and items that I have here today. I've got a whole dark academia section up on the website artbeads.com now. I've got the link in the video description, and I'll have the design studio page for this little bookmark ready for you as well with the link in the video description. So I hope you enjoyed this fun look at the dark academia style. Let me know how you would use this trend, these kind of colors and themes in your crafts and jewelry ideas. Make sure to leave a like and a comment, and as always, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you're the first to know when videos like this are available. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye!